at GreenPort Cruising Congress 2019, and I'm here with Sandra from the Port of Seattle, Sandra Kilroy. And Sandra is Maritime Environment and Sustainability Director. So I just wanted to ask your opinion on whether ports and terminals are investing enough in environmentally friendly equipment to reduce emissions, and if not, why not?
Right. Thanks. Well, thank you for asking me. I think this is definitely it needs to be a global issue to get to zero emissions for ports. And what we've heard at the conference so far is that all the ports together and the industry together has to move in that direction in order for us to get the cost effectiveness of the infrastructure. In Washington State, in Port of Seattle and the state of Washington, one thing that could help us with infrastructure is the passage of a low carbon fuel standard, which is something that's been considered in the past and probably will be considered again, and that'll help incentivize production of low carbon fuels. In Seattle, we've been moving in that direction. So we have shore power at 2 of our terminals for the last 10 years, actually. And we're seeing a lot of effect from that. I think we had last year, or so far this year, 90% of the cruise ships that are capable of plugging in have plugged in. So that's great and makes a big difference. And then we're planning to bring shore power into our 3rd cruise berth, and then we're building a 4th cruise berth, and with the plan to bring shore power to that. So we're looking at ways to build that. We're also seeing that we can't just look terminal by terminal, that's not maybe the most cost effective, and so we're stepping back to look at a waterfront-wide energy planning effort. So how can we bring the infrastructure into the whole waterfront at a more cost-effective rate? So I think funding certainly is a challenge, and because it is expensive to bring that infrastructure in. So the partnerships that we have.
What charging infrastructure challenges are there for ports using and introducing and expanding battery and hybrid vehicles and machinery fleets?
Yeah, so funding, I guess I didn't pick up on funding. That is probably one of the biggest challenges, is figuring out how we pay for it, hopefully in partnership with utilities and the industry and the ports. I think the partnerships do become important, but also a challenge. Is the city waterfront for us has had a lot of activity on it, and we have a new seawall. We just took down a big highway and built a new tunnel, so there's been a lot of construction. So I think a challenge for us could be just more disruption on the waterfront might just strain the public a little. So we're thinking, how do we work creatively on that? So yeah, those are some of it. And I think the 3rd challenge, I think, for us, and it's been touched on here, is like we can build it, but will industry come, right? Like, so if we're going to invest in building all the electrification and shore power, we need to know that the industry will be building the ships and the equipment to utilize it. And I think that's one of the things that is so exciting about the GreenPort Congress, is just getting everyone together to hear about that.
Finally, will we likely see more opposition to automation as it is further incorporated into the sustainability agenda?
Yeah. So I know automation is going to be really important globally in the maritime industry in the future, and I hear it's complex and difficult for a lot of ports. For Seattle, we're just not at the point of knowing the application, I think, for our port. I would say that we would treat automation for us would be treated as part of a collective bargaining between our Pacific Merchants Association and our International Longshore Union. And so I think the Port of Seattle would definitely support that as a collective bargaining issue, and to see what's kind of needed in terms of a concern of displacing jobs. I guess the offset to that is that our core mission at the port is job creation. We have that right in the mission of our port is economic growth and job creation. So hopefully efforts on workforce development and job creation can offset that kind of negatives.
Thank you very much.
Well, thank you.